I know, for real. Make sure Natasha can get him.
It's still breakfast.
Oh,
They got
10:30.
biscuits.
It's not anymore.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Logical linguista.
I know.
By the time we got ready to go, Danny was running up and she's like, please tell me you guys grabbed the gift. And we were like, yeah. She's like, oh, because she thought someone saw all the envelopes.
There wasn't that many gifts, huh?
We got one for you, but it's in the room. I forgot to bring it to the reception.
Oh my god, Kat, when we were going to she's like, I'm hella ghetto, I'm sorry, and hands me like $60 with like dollar bills and shit, and just like,
Are you serious?
Yeah. She's like, keep it. I was like, oh wow, I know. I was like, she's like, I'm sorry, I'm hella ghetto on the card. I was like, I don't care.
How much did you guys make in the money dance?
I didn't count it.
It was well over $100.
Well, yeah, it was because we owed Freedom.
Yeah, we owed Freedom.
Like $100 and
something.
$108, so I took out $100 from there. Cause like I'm like I can't find the money.
Wow.
What?
That's my asthma.
Oh.
But you have insurance now, baby.
I know.
You have insurance now, baby.
That's not very for you guys.
I know. She only married me for insurance.
I haven't ever had.
So she can get inhalers all the time. Yeah.
Dude, I'm just make checkups every day. I'm like, I think I have my
Hello.
daughter.
Good morning. My daughter. Good morning.
I'm like, I need a. Every time she watches Discovery Channel, she's gonna think she has one of the diseases. I'm gonna be, what is it? It's only in the remote areas of Africa. Carmen's like, I have it.
I know.
My hair follicles are moving in my hair. There's something wrong. Hey, you're taking me?
Yes.
She's been there taking me.
Oh.